My name's John Parker. I'm from Paso Robles, California, and I ride bicycles for a living. We ride bicycle freestyle, which is, ramps, jump ramps, and stuff like that. There's going to contests and competing there. And then there's practicing at your house and stuff. Started carving everything crazy funky. And then there's a lot of shows in too. Mostly I like a show where you get into the show and you forget you're doing a show and you think you're just out riding. It's a really good feeling when you're just like totally amped and in control at the same time. When you just know you can try or do anything and you just want to do it right then, you're just like, ah.
People will reach up to 13 feet off the top of an 11 or 12 foot tall ramps. So that's, close to 26 feet in the air. There's a lot of dangers with it, but it weighs out with the fun.
Uh-oh, I heard that.
Usually I crash when I'm like not into my riding enough. Oh, yes.
That one was pretty smooth.
That's when I seem to get like the most hurt. Just like riding when I'm not totally into it and making myself do something before I'm like really ready. This bike held up extremely well for what I did. I'm surprised more didn't happen.
Bicycles are manufactured and assembled on site at GT's headquarters in Santa Ana, California. Bikes are built so rugged that GT riders routinely perform on stock machines. But buying a high-performance bike is no guarantee that 26-foot air is necessarily within the general public's reach.
The most thing people don't understand is that this is like any other sport. It takes a lot of practice, and there's people that go out and ride every day, like 10 hours a day, and it's real practice. We're not just going out there playing on our bikes. You go out there with certain tricks you want to learn, and you just got to do them over and over and over again until you got it stuck in your head. This is like all I do.
Well, I guess the average person wouldn't understand that most of us still are in it just for fun. Nobody really is in it to earn a lot of money or to get famous or anything like that. It's just to have fun. Like if, there's only 3 people in the sport, they would still just ride because it's just what you love to do.